welcome. This is Wrapped from mindofaraptor.com. Today we're going to be going through the Over-the-Wire Bandit series. It's Capture the Flag kind of hacker style website. What we'll do is we'll start off by showing you the website. So this is the website here. It's overthewire.org/wargames/bandit, as you can see in the URL at the top. The first level is very simply, you start on level 0 and you have to find your way into the box that they've provisioned for you. What will happen is you need to do it via SSH. So it says the goal of this level is for you to log into the game using SSH. The host to which you need to connect is bandit.labs.overthewire.org on port 2220. The username is bandit0 and the password is also bandit0. Once logged in, go to the level 1 page to find out how to beat level 1. So, first thing we need to do is start an SSH session. So if we open up a terminal, and we'll just move us over here so we can see what we're doing. And we need to type in the SSH protocol. We then need to specify the username, the port. So we'll do port, and we'll specify the port, which was 2220. Then we put the username, which is bandit0, the @ symbol, and the address we're going to connect to, which was bandit.labs.overthewire.org. And if we press enter, it should then hopefully connect us. First thing it's came up with, because we've never connected before, is do we want to accept the fingerprint for that machine? And we do. So we're going to type in yes and press enter. And now we can see that we're on there almost. We are communicating with the machine because it's now prompting us for a password. So once we've entered the password, we'll be fully connected and we'll be inside of the machine. So the password was bandit0. So bandit0 and return. Obviously this is a Linux box, so when you type in the password you won't be able to see the characters you're typing in. And we've got a nice little welcome message saying, here we go, you're in the box. For more information, go to the OverTheWire website, etc. So level 0 is done. We've managed to get onto the box using the specialized port number, which is not a default port for SSH. And I guess the lesson on this one is to learn that we can connect using a different port to the default, which is normally just 22 for SSH. As part of this video, what we'll do is we will move on to the next level. So we'll do 0 to 1, which will hopefully give us the key so we can then log into level 1 from 1 to 2. So for this level, to get to the next one, the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme, located on the home directory. Use this password to log into Bandit1 using SSH. Whenever you find a password for a level, use SSH on port 220 to log into that level and continue the game. So what we're looking for is a file called readme, and it's going to be in the home directory. So if we go back to the SSH session, we can use a couple of commands here, and you can see on the website it actually highlights the kind of commands you can use. So we've got ls, we've got cd, we've got cat, file, do, and find. Some of them will be misleading and not useful, and then one or two of them might be very useful for us to achieve the overall outcome that we want. So when you log into a box, you're quite often put into the home directory. So the first part that we'll need to find, which is a home directory we're probably already in. To cheat a little bit, we could type in the command pwd, which will tell us the path to working directory, and it's returned a /home/bandit0, which tells us we're in the bandit0 home directory, which is great. If we type ls, we should hopefully be able to list anything that's in that directory, and we can see a file called readme. So out of the commands that are left, what we could do is we could use cat to see the contents of the readme file. So we type in cat space readme and hit return, and you can see that we're given the flag for the next level. So what we'll do is just copy that for future reference. To copy, you're probably going to have to right click and select copy inside of the terminal. And that is Bandit level 0 to 1 and how you get started. The very simple commands that it's trying to teach you is how to SSH in using customized port, and how to list files inside of a directory, and then how to read the contents of the file using the cache command. If you like the video, great. Subscribe, even better. Click like. And if you want to continue on doing the Capture the Flag series, look forward to the next video. Thank you for your time.